This is the second half of the video for reads and reps, or it might be the same video or it might be a video on its own. I haven't decided how I'm going to edit this yet for you guys. But we are Monday morning from the weekend of Bam's fight, and so we're looking at something called a pull counter and how we get the reps in to go ahead and set that up. Jalen is a Orthodox fighter. Bam is a Southpaw fighter. I've always told you guys whatever is available for the Southpaw is available for the Orthodox fighter. So in the film study, you guys saw that Bam pulled the right hand to get to his back foot to go ahead and land his left hand, which is his rear hand from the Southpaw stance. I'm going to show Jalen how to do it as if he was fighting against a Southpaw. So right now you would get to your front foot for me, so get a little bit closer, about right there. And so now as I lunge with this left hand, you're gonna go ahead and sit on your back foot. Boom. Not big, it's just gonna go ahead and be a slight little load. So slight load, and then you will come back in with your right hand. For you, I wanna make sure that we have an exit just in case you mix, so you would roll under. Get to your front foot again. I would go ahead and throw my left. You come back in with your right, roll under. Again. So slight dip, bang, pop, roll under. Slight dip, bang, pop, roll under. Slight dip, boom, boom. Slight dip, boom. So that would be what Jalen would do against a Southpaw fighter if they threw their rear hand. I'm actually going to teach Jalen how to do it against from a Southpaw position against an Orthodox fighter, very similar how Bam would. And the reason why we're doing it with Jalen is because Jalen wants to learn how to fight Southpaw a little bit as well. So this is the reason why the technique is so important. So right now, stay in that Southpaw stance. And so be on the front foot, hands up. And so when this right hand comes, you're going to dip to that back foot. Boom, nope. Land on the left. There it is, right in there. So again, load on that left. Come back in with your left hand. Roll under. There it is. Again, take your time. Get away, shot, roll under. And then for you, instead of thinking pulling all the way, because it's a big movement, it's more so just like a quick sit, and then go ahead and come back up. Quick sit, come back up. Roll under off of this one. Don't worry about getting away. Take your time, because we're making sure the technique is perfect. There, take your time, sit. Now go ahead and come back in, roll under. Logan. I would lunge here, boom. Yep, roll under. Turn that toe for me though. Sit. Turn, roll, roll. Take your time. So for you, we're going slow. I don't need you to do all the big movements right now. I don't need any extra movements. I need the technique to go ahead and be perfect. So just take your time. Sit to get away from that right hand. Come back in with your left hand. Turn the toe all the way. Now roll under. Stay there. Reset. Sit. Come back in. Roll under. Don't try to do all of them at once. Sit. Get away. Come back in. Boom. So that would be the read of what happened. Now we're going to get into the reps and the drill and how Jalen can go ahead and get better at this. We talk about moving in the ring. You either move linear, lateral, or diagonal, which is actually in a circle. So this drill is more about Jalen understanding where his head is at as he enters the line. Because realistically, when we pull counter or we counter, we're countering against space as opposed to a punch. So right now, with Jalen going back to Orthodox, he's going to circle right now, and as he circles, he's going to understand if he's on his front foot or if he's on his back foot. So what it would look like here is as we circle, I am now front foot. Now as I come here, I'm now back foot. I'm now front foot, now I'm back foot. I am front foot, now I'm back foot. So for you, what I want you to understand is most people are going to attack you when you're on the front foot. So I want 2 circles. As you get on the front foot, I want you to catch my jab. So circle. So you're fighting me now. Catch my jab. Catch my jab. Now you would pull. Boom, stay. Don't worry about throwing the shot. I just want you to understand where you're at, right? Hands up, circle, catch. Circle, catch. On this one, pull. Stay, get out. Circle, catch. You should pull already. You see what I mean? 2 catches, 1 pull. 2 catches, 1 pull. Perfect. But you see how you pause? Thank you. Let's go. That's the reason why we fix it. Let's go. Perfect. Boom. So the only difference is the timing for it, right? when we pull, if we look at it, when you get to do one thing, I get to do one thing, right? So as you catch these shots, because you're trying to pull the jab out of me. Boom, good. Catch. Now as you pull, stop right there. Perfect. That timing was better because if you notice, you pulled before I threw my jab, right? Because if we look at the timing of this, there's no way humanly possible that he can go ahead and get away from my jab and dip and come back in at the same time before I finish. Because now if we look at the timing of it, if I shoot my jab and he slips or pulls it, now when he comes back in with something, I'm able to do something too. What he wants to do is he wants to pull, because I just told him that I'm protecting this space with the jab. He wants to pull and premeditate it. He's assuming I'm throwing something. So before I even throw the jab, he's already gone. So stay gone right now. He's gone right now. So that way now as I extend, he's coming back in before I finish the shot. But the reason why that's important and the reason why we talk about reads and rep is because this is a read that he's doing. Bam made a read and he used the skill set that he practices before he got into the gym, that he does with his coaches, that he does on the bag and whatnot, to now be able to pull this out in the fight. But that's the second half of reads and reps for you guys. If you have more questions, comment below. Once again, I make videos based on the questions that you guys ask, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we're recording. Let's see. Let's go.